Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail emails in bulk on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you wanted to delete a bunch of different Gmail emails, maybe all of them all at once, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now the key thing here is let's open up Safari and we'll just go into gmail.com. Now you can see it will load up the mobile version, and even if I tap the AAA at the upper left and hit request desktop, it will still load up the mobile version, but we need the desktop version to be able to select all of those emails and delete them all at once in bulk. So to do that, let's hop out of here and open up our settings. Now we'll scroll all the way down until we get to Safari, and we'll again scroll down and you can see request desktop site, and we'll tap on that and turn that on. For some reason this works for us, or when you go into Safari and you request that desktop website, it doesn't work. So let's go out of here and let's close up this Gmail, and then we'll just go to Gmail again, gmail.com, and hit go. Now you can see it shows me the desktop version of it. Now I can go into any of these. Let's tap on, say, spam here. Now if you want to delete out all your spam emails or trash emails, whatever you wanted to do, you can hit at the very top left that little check mark, and I can hit select all to conversations. And now that it has done that, I can hit delete. I can delete all of these spam emails, do whatever I want with them, move them, anything that I want. But basically the key is that you need the desktop version of Gmail, and you can select them all, and then with one click you can delete them all or move them whatever you want. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.